Hey everyone, Sam here with Spread Love, Have Fun. Today I wanted to share with you a new marketing video I just created for Impact Speaking Lab. Be sure to watch until the very end so you can take a peek at the new Videographers Notes, where I will expand more on the creation of this video, a little bit about the creative process, and I'll be sharing a new add-on service we are now offering to all of our clients.
People have a message that needs to get out. And oftentimes there's just something simple in their way, but it's so simple they can't see it.
Before I came here today, my intention was to basically just to improve my speaking ability and my ease in front of other people, like when I have to do presentations at work.
Whatever it is that they're wanting to do, whether they're wanting to be a great speaker on a TEDx stage, or they want to be very powerful in a business presentation, they can do it.
When I discovered what was holding me back from really being an impactful speaker, it was very profound because it removed all the, the barriers that I had and all the concerns, and it really allowed me to be with my audience.
It seems to have rewired my brain, or some new connection there in my behavior, even under stress.
This is really about speaking anywhere with impact, not about speaking to large crowds or even small crowds. It's in any speaking opportunity that you might have.
They really get connected to themselves as that speaker. They get connected to their audience, and they get connected to the difference they want to make. And when that all comes together, that connection, it's pretty magical, and people surprise themselves.
If I could describe this event in one word, it will be phenomenal.
Transformational.
Life-changing.
Effective.
It totally just changed the way I thought about speaking. All my fears are gone, and now I know I have a handle on how to present myself.
Because it really does work. I feel like I feel different as a human being.
Now into the creative process behind this video. When speaking with Janet and Andrew about their target audience, they wanted a marketing video that honed in on anyone who wants to improve their speaking ability. Whether it's one-on-one conversation, a business presentation, or public speaking on a TEDx stage. So in this video, I want to share some of the struggles people faced, how the lab helped them overcome those struggles, and who should attend the lab. The next step was to establish what platforms they plan to publish the video through. Now this is very important in post-production because all platforms have different requirements in video size and dimensions. I'd also like to note that LinkedIn uses the first frame of the video as a thumbnail image, so knowing ahead of time, I was able to create a separate version of the video just for LinkedIn so that the thumbnail image that appears when they post will be the thumbnail image that we created. Finally, more and more people are watching videos on social media with no sound. So to ensure the video engages with the most viewers, I delivered an SRT file with English captions so people can view the video with no sound, whether that's on YouTube, LinkedIn, or Facebook. Now onto our new add-on service provided by Spread Love, Have Fun. While conducting the filming for this project, there were a ton of moments worth sharing that didn't make it into the marketing video. So to get the most value out of this production, we're now able to provide micro content for your social media channels. To give you an example, we created Instagram and Facebook stories along with in-feed posts used on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Instagram. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did creating it. If you haven't been able to tell already, I've been sweating profusely. I'm currently in Thailand. It's really hot and humid here. But I'd love to hear from you if you're looking to create a marketing video. Maybe you need some help in deciding how you want to create that. And I'd love to hear from you what you think about our new micro content that we offer. Maybe you want to start creating more content for your social medias. Maybe you have some questions. Either way, let me know in the comments. And as always, stay grateful and spread love. Have fun. I'm really just sweating, dripping sweat. Yeah, did this for you. Yeah, you watching right now. Super hot here. Yeah, have a great day.